Welcome back to Maths Magic. So today we are going to learn the easy way to do addition by LR method. So in the school we are learning, every time we are learning the addition by right to left method. But I am going to teach you the addition from left to right. It will be very easy for you. So before starting doing the addition by LR method, first we have to see what is expandable form. So first we are going to see only the two-digit expandable form. So we know that how we are doing expandation. So 29 means what? 2 is in the form of 10 place, 2 is in 10 place and 9 is in 1 place. So we are going to write that as 2 tens plus 9 ones, which will give you 20 plus 9. So 2 tens means what? 20 and 9 ones means what? 9. So that will be equals to 29. The second one we are going to see 63. So 6 is in 10. 60 means 6 tens and 3 ones, which will give you 60 plus 3. Okay. Then 78 we are going to write as 7 tens plus 8 ones equals to 70 plus 8. And fourth one is 59. So 59 we are going to write as 5 tens plus 9 ones equals to 50 plus 9. So 59 we are saying means what? 50 plus 9 means 5 tens plus 9 ones. These things you have to keep in mind for LR method. Okay. So let's see what is LR. So let's start addition by LR method, means left to right method. Okay, so first problem I have given 29 plus 63. So I have written 2, 9 and 6, 3. So we know that 2 and 6 are in 10 place and 9 and 3 are in 1 place. So 10 place means 20 and 60. So from left I will do the addition. So from left means I will do 20 plus 60, that is 80. Then I will go up. 80 plus 9 is 89. Again come down. 89 plus 3 is 92. So we are getting the answer 92. Okay. Again I will tell you. First you have to do that 2 and 6 are in tens place. So that we can write as 20 and 60. We consider 20 and 60. So 20 plus 60, that is 80. 80 again go up, that is 80 plus 9 is 89. Again come down. 89 plus 3 is 90, 91, 92 and 92. Okay. So see, it is an ulta and we can say that this is an ulta and so it is very easy for solving. So second sum we will go for second sum. Second sum is 78 plus 58. So again 7 and 5 are in tens place. So we can write as 70 and 50. So 70 plus 50 is 120. 70 plus 50 is 120. Again go up. 120 plus 8 is 128 and again come down 128 plus 8. So 8 plus 8 16. So 128 plus 8 is 136. We will get the answer 136. Okay. So next for next sum we will go. I have taken the 3 addition, that is 32 plus 53 plus 80. So 32, 30 plus 50. Again, here I have written the same 30 plus 50 plus 10. That is 30 plus 50, 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. Come down, again go up. 90 plus 2 is 92. 92 plus 3 is 95. 95 plus 8. Tell me 95 plus 8 is 103. Okay. So that is 103 we are getting. So next sum 74 plus 22 plus 38, that is 70, 20, 30. So 70 plus 20 is 90, 90 plus 30 is 120, 120 plus 4 is 124, 126 and 126 plus 8. Tell me how much? That is 134. Okay. Have you understood? So you have to take the places. Which place it lies, you have to write that, add that one, go up and again come down. Form the ulta L. So you'll get the answer very quickly. So this is an homework for you. Solve these sums, give me the answer in a comment and tell me. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for the such interesting videos. Thank you.